Hello Sirah farmers. So today we'll be talking about how you can make your own poultry feed for your bed. So for us not to talk too much, we have to start the video. So what you are seeing here is actually the maize. Alright, maize is one of the ingredients which we use to make animal feed. So what am I doing? I'm trying to make sure that I check out everything, like to make sure that there's nothing like bottle or anything like sharp objects in it. So the next ingredient which we have here is actually soya beans, and I will do the same thing just to make sure that there is the ingredient is safe for the birds. So you have to cross check it just to make sure that the ingredient is safe for the birds. All right, so I will open it and I'll try to check if the thing has, if it's a good one, because sometimes you can buy or they can supply you some maize and you notice that there are some damages there, or so you just say, yeah, use the word damage. So that is it. And this one is actually bit over. This one, I have this one already, so that one was not supplied. Everything we have it already, so I'm just saying in terms of use. So this is bit over, and it's one of the ingredients which we use in feed formulation. Then this is limestone. Then I'm just trying to show you everything so that you can understand how everything works. And this limestone, you need to do something. You need to remove the stone because this one has stone. But everything, I will show you everything here in this video. Then the next one is conover. So what you're seeing there is conover. So the conover is gotten from corn. I think they call it the shaft. Then the next one you're seeing here is actually GNC. All right, that is GNC. So I think that is everything we have for this formulation. That is everything we have for this formulation. So the next thing is trying to, okay, the next thing we will do is to remove the stone which I told you about. Then we have to remove that stone, so we have to shiver it to make sure that we have just the limestone alone without stone. So how can we do that? We have to put it in a shiver, to put it in a pan where we can, I don't know what they call it, but you can see the way I'm doing it. So just to make sure that we remove the stone, so I will shake it. You can see the way I am doing it. So I will shake it just to make sure that the stone is separated from the limestone. And I hope you know that limestone is actually for calcium. So if you need calcium for your formulation, you actually use limestone, or you can use bone meal. Any one of them, they both works. So you have to make sure that everything works perfectly. So I will remove everything, remove the stone, and I keep it outside. So that is what this entails. So I believe you can see the limestone. So this one doesn't have any stone. So what we will do, we will transfer it to the main feed formulation. I hope you get. So with this one will be used, we will not be making use of the stone. So what am I doing here? Transferring this to the feed formulation, which is this one you are seeing now. So actually we have already created the composition for the feed, which is the ingredient. So that is why you are seeing it this way. So after then, there are some things missing inside this feed formulation, so I'll be adding everything. But we have one of my workers has already did the proportion of it, so I will just add some little things. So beside it, you can see, okay, I've already scaled this the limestone. So I'll be attaching it to the feed because that is one of the ingredients we want to use for this formulation. So I'll attach it to this feed formulation. And one thing I also want you to know that, okay, this is the width over. We didn't attach it to the previous one, so we want to add it to it now. All right, so what we are doing is that we are scaling it and also making sure that we have the right proportion for it. So right now we want to mix it. All right, don't worry, at the end of the video I will show you the result of everything. And I also want to let you know that this ingredient is available in Sirah Farm, and if you need it, you can place an order on it so that you can get your own. And if you need other things like the machinery, because before this ingredient become this, I guess a lot of things was done, like you have to crush the maize, and you also need to fine grind it if you are doing starter. Don't worry, after this I'll do a video for starter feed, so that you can see how we are fine crushing the maize. So all those things you need is, so you can actually buy your machineries from us. You can check the description for that. So, and again, if you need a tutor, you can actually contact us, which the Sirah Farm, and will be of help to you. So I just want you to enjoy the rest of the video, because that is where I will end it. So you don't worry, at the end of the video you'll see the end result of it. All right, take care.